cooking meal in the microwave? Are we the type of people who procreate? So you want a little cubby with half a mile of brain? Think I always love you with our last name. Steady source of meaning through all the change. Baby, I ain't even sure if I ate today. Yeah, I guess I'm just a bit of a goofball, but we don't joke around like we used to. It's hard to have a laugh when you feel the truth. When you see another path laid in front of you. When you see another path laid in front of you. Do I really want to live a life like this? Yeah. Do I really want to marry the only person I've kissed since I was 20 years old? On a porch in New Orleans. God damn, it was a hot one, man, like hell was a scorcher. I remember that night, it was the night we met. Yeah, we drank $3 wine to ease our existential dread. My head was on your chest. I remember you asked me, have you ever told a lie? Yeah, have you ever told a lie just for the hell of it? No, nothing that important, just some inconsequential shit. Like the wrong date, something happened, the people you were with, just to make it come together, man, just to make your story fit. Yeah, I don't know why we do this. I think life gets pretty hard, sometimes we lie to get through it, but your eyes are the truth, and our hearts are congruent. And in this very, very moment, I think that I love you, yeah, I love you. And I think that I need you. Yeah, do I really want to take over my old man's Honda dealership and buy a little house? Maybe have a couple kids so I can learn what to be loved unconditionally. Is that selfish? Not more than drinking 20 beers and getting tan, being selfish on the Mississippi River. Man, my head is like a river where anxiety